lowrider row. How you guys are hitting it right now is super awesome, because not only can you see with, like you were talking about, having that awesome double barrel rotary, you can set up in like the supination, pronation, overhand, keep it really tight, like you were saying, underhand, and then just as you can see right here, she's targeting, like you said, isolation.
Yes.
Super good. And you guys, it's a perfect example right here where like two different people, two different heights, male, female, different sizes, and she's able to take the seat in the post, like you said, find the hole, like kind of just being able to adjust the seat and pitch it angle forward. So no matter what length your arm is at, you can just extend the seat or incline it right down on a nice arcing towards the handles, so you stay in line the whole time. You know what I mean? And then of course with the adjustable seat for your height, depending on whether you want to do a high shrug or a nice low row, super good. Yeah. I think this one's killer. Like, it seems to hit, and with having such long angled arms, this allows it so you don't get a whole lot of rotation with how much travel you actually get out of it. So it's maximizing the mechanism of the rotation of the force on the axle. So the moment arm can travel straight up, and you have completely consistent resistance. You don't lose it at the top, you don't lose it at the bottom. It's continuous because it's traveling almost in a straight line.
I did do that always.
Yeah. And then you get that nice squeeze. Yeah. You want to jump back on 35, or you want to do over the top?
Yes. Go ahead, throw that out there.
Yep.
A different.
Okay, there you go. Be comfortable, plant your feet, find your position. Whoa, full rotation. Look at that. Deep, good stretch of the scapula. Full rotation over the top, all the way under. That's badass. That's a solid movement. Yeah. Being able to rotate outward, that looks good. Yeah. And that, my friends, is how we use the lat low rider. Low row right here. Hey, thank you so much, you guys, for helping me with this, and I'll put it on YouTube too. You guys, like, we'll tag you, so have you on there, like demonstrating. That'd be awesome. Yeah, absolutely, of course. Yeah, so I appreciate you. Both of our national level competitors right here in the Warhouse Gym. Yeah, all right, you guys. Yeah, check them out right here. Thank you, and come check out the low rider back row.